Unraveling the mystery of tantrum. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting word that you might have come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations: tantrum. This word tells a story of emotions and reactions. So, let's uncover its meaning and how you can use it. A tantrum is a sudden outburst of anger or frustration, especially from a child. It's when someone, typically younger individuals, becomes very upset and might cry, shout, or behave in a way that shows they are not in control of their emotions. For example, the child threw a tantrum in the store because he wanted a toy. While tantrums are commonly associated with children, adults can have them too. It's a way for individuals to express their unhappiness or frustration when they can't articulate or get what they want. For children, it might be due to tiredness, hunger, or overstimulation. For adults, it could be stress, unmet expectations, or other emotional triggers. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for tantrum: outburst, fit, meltdown, hissy fit, rage. Using these synonyms can add variety to your conversations and writing. To understand and use the word better, here are some example sentences. 1. She had a tantrum when her favorite TV show was cancelled. 2. After a long day, it's not unusual for toddlers to have a tantrum before bedtime. 3. I've learned to stay calm when my brother starts his tantrums. So, there you have it. The word tantrum is all about emotions and how they're expressed. Whether you come across this term in books or in daily life, you now know what it means and how to use it effectively. Always remember, language is not just about words but the stories and feelings behind them. Hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and exploring the world of English.